Hey friends, it's Biddy Penny. I'm here today to share a massive tiny card share. I thought I would just go through my box of tiny cards and flip through them for you guys. And maybe you'll catch some inspiration to make tiny cards. I know slimline is all the rage right now, but I actually like to make tiny cards too. These are like the cards that you would get at a florist to sign for a friend. They measure, let me think about it, 3.5 by 2.5. And you can get envelopes for them. I'm gonna go ahead and just save you the shock that they cost as much as large A2 or 5x7 envelopes. They just do. I don't know why. Maybe because they're tiny. So these are ones that came in a Stampin' Up kit a long time ago. And I was already into making them, and then Stampin' Up sent this kit, and I was like, wow, cool. I can make some more. And they were really fun. I just stuck to the script on those, and I was pleased with the outcome. So that's the first ones, and they have those little matching envelopes, which is so sweet. And then these all just kind of came. This is from a Spellbinders leftovers from one of their kits, and sometimes I decorate the inside and sometimes I don't, so you'll see me checking for that. This is just a watercolor wishing well, and of course I make duplicates. Looking at these, I really kind of want to go back and add rhinestones to those other two. This is the first one I ever made, actually. And I spent way too much time on it, so I've kept it. I give these in teacher's gifts, like especially these coffee ones, and I'll put a Starbucks gift card in them. They fit perfectly. So it's a great way to just tuck in, a small gift card into a package. They're great for kids' birthdays because they enjoy tiny things a lot of the times. It's like they either want a huge card or they'd like to have a little tiny one because it's so cute. Anyways, so I will let the music play and you can just watch. I hope you enjoy. Okay, these are kind of clever and fun. I made these paperclip bookmarks that kind of clip onto these. Again, they would just be really fun, like for teacher gifts. These are like birthday themed with chickens on them. They're just too funny. It's an art impression set that actually Hobby Lobby used to sell. And I scored it there like at a steep discount and was very happy. I like art impressions. Some of their stamp sets are fantastic, especially their watercolor ones, but that's a subject for another time. So yeah, these just kind of came to me and I thought they were a fun twist on a tiny card, adding a little bookmark in there. So of course I made at least 6 of them. I'm pretty sure I made more and I've already given some away. Let's see, what do we have coming up next? I don't remember. Oh yeah, so you can go to town like coloring and doing all that if you want, if that's your style. But I really like just taking my scraps and piecing things together. I have 2 huge boxes of like handmade ephemera, just like leftover pieces where I make a ton and then I have stuff left over. These are the perfect kind. That's alcohol paper. Or alcohol ink. So these are a great use of that. Leftover ephemera pieces, leftover paper. You could put it to use in these little cards. And they make fun gifts, you know, to give to someone, to a friend. Give them 10 of these, and it's just kind of fun and different, unexpected. So those are backgrounds that I made with like a gift card, a little bit of acrylic paint, and just smear it across paper, and it makes this beautiful striation kind of thing, and just stamp on top of it, and bam, you're done. All right, thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for checking out all my massive load of tiny cards. I need to make some more after looking at it. They're just so much fun. I hope this inspires you. Have a blessed day.